Welcome back to Innovative Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making a delicious twist on a classic favorite, egg aloo samosa. Start by preparing the dough. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Ajwain not only adds flavor to the dough but also helps with digestion. Then add about 1/3 cup water slowly and knead into a soft dough. Rub a little oil on top and keep it covered for 10 minutes. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli and saute for a minute. Then add 2 small chopped potatoes. Half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon chaat masala. Add 3 tablespoons water and cook until the potatoes become soft. Mash the potatoes slightly to help the filling bind better. Once done, add 1 chopped boiled egg and fresh coriander leaves. Cook for another minute and your filling is ready. Eggs provide high quality protein and essential vitamins. Potatoes are rich in potassium and fiber when cooked properly. Ajwain supports digestion and can reduce bloating. Take a portion of the dough and roll it out. Homemade snacks like this are free from preservatives, fresh and safer. Have you ever tried egg stuffed samosas before? What's your favorite samosa filling? Veg, chicken or something else? Tag a friend who would love this version of samosa. Should we try a cheese-filled samosa recipe next? Add a little tomato sauce. Then spoon in the egg potato filling. Fold it into as shown. Sealing the edges with water. Fold well. Seal the edges tightly with water to avoid splitting during frying. Now heat oil on medium heat. Fry the samosas until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat to ensure the samosas cook evenly inside and out. Samosas have been enjoyed since 10th century. They were once called sambusak. Adding eggs to the samosas gives them a unique protein-rich twist. In some parts of the world, samosas are even stuffed with noodles or chocolate. Serve hot and enjoy the burst of flavors. And that's it, our flavorful egg aloo samosas are ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. For more fun and easy snack ideas, subscribe to Innovative Foods and stay with us. Until next time, stay happy, stay hungry and keep cooking with love.